Ready for a no meat, no egg, no dairy, fast, low cost, little energy to make, great tasting meal? Then let's make one. Hello, I was gonna eat some dinner and I just wanted something simple, fast, really tasty, and this is it. So I'm gonna make I love making French baguette sandwiches. They're just fantastic. So I've got my French baguette piece right here ready to go. I'm using some off-the-shelf frozen, they're thawed out now, but these are vegan nuggets. They're fantastic. I love them. Both brands that I use are just great. A little bit different style of how they're made. This particular one I like. And their serving size is 4. And this is about roughly about 12 grams of protein, which is great. I've got some zucchini that I'm going to put on. This tray is going to go into the toaster oven along with the bread will go in just a little bit at the end just to get it lightly warmed up and of toast on it. And then I've got avocado, I've got cilantro, and I've got green onion for a little bit of garnish on it. And the sauce is going to be a sriracha, so barbecued sriracha sauce was really, really great. And then a little bit of teriyaki added in there. So it's going to have a really great flavor over over the whole sandwich itself. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm just going to season this up a little bit. So I'm just gonna, not the nuggets, because they're seasoned when they're breaded and they're really tasty. So I'm just gonna put a little granulated garlic on my zucchini just to get them flavored up a little bit, and a little bit of black pepper. Now I'm not even gonna use the grinder because there's so much loose pepper in the little grinder, but just a touch on there, just like that. And the sriracha barbecue sauce is spicy as well. And so I'll set that aside for a second because that'll go in. I'm gonna stick this in the oven now, and then I'll put the bread in a little bit, and then I'll come back. Okay, so let's prepare this. So I'm gonna just take and cut this in half, just like that. Now I like to take a little bit of the center out. It just makes the sandwich more manageable, especially with avocado. Always wants to move around a lot. So I just take a little bit of a V right here, just like that. Out here, just like that. So it just gives me a bit of a channel right there. See that? You see that channel? Nice. So everything kind of fits down in there. And I take just a little bit out of the other side too. That's the only reason I do it, just because it's easier to manage the sandwich, especially on a French baguette. It's so tasty. Just has wonderful texture, and when they're warmed up a little bit, all this is going to be fantastic. So I'm going to stick this in. Just going to get a little warmed and toasted, and when that's ready to come out, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It's about a minute away from taking it out of the toaster oven, so I'm just going to make up the sauce. So this sriracha, barbecue, tasty, and a little bit of, just a dash of teriyaki, just like that. It's going to be so good. I'm going to take this avocado. I'm going to use 1/3 of it, like I normally do. It just seems to always be the right size, 1/3. And I hope it's a good one, because they are hit and miss. Ah, beautiful avocado. I'm going to do just 2 big slices and lay them in bread and kind of mash them down. And all right, I'm going to take it out of the oven. Let's get Look at that. You can see the vegan nuggets are sizzling there nicely. I'm just going to pull this off like that. Get that out of the way. Okay, here it all is. Wonderful. Got my sauce here. Stir this up. Pour this over the top of everything, not on the bread. So I'm going to line these up in here. There's the nuggets on that side. Wonderful. I'm going to put the avocado on the other side. I'll put the, let's redo this here. Okay. Perfect. I love a lot of avocado, as you can see. Put that in there. I'm just going to give it a bit of a mash so it doesn't slip around on me. The fork, it's a great way to do that. Perfect. Okay. Take the zucchini. I'm going to layer this in here. Like that. Can you see all that? Hold it up. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to take green onion. Let's move this stuff out of the way. Beautiful. Spread that over the top of the nuggets. Doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be on there. Then take some cilantro. I'll leave it a little chunky tonight, which is great. Layer that in here. Beautiful sauce. I'm going to pour this on here, on this side. Looks like that. I'm also going to pour it across the top of the zucchini. Beautiful. And then I'm going to close it up just like that. And I hope you can see that. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, can't wait to eat this. I'm so hungry. And this is going to be fantastic. I'm FOODMAKER V. And remember, the best investment you can ever make is an investment in your health. I'll see you next time.